Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rip the contents of a CD to your computer. Now, you must use Linux for this tutorial. So before we get started, I'd like to say one thing. Please do not borrow your friend's CD that you do not own and then rip it to your computer. That is illegal, and I do not want to influence you to do illegal stuff. So please make sure that the CD is a CD that you legally own. Alright, so we're going to go to our software manager, or the Ubuntu Software Center, Synaptic Package Manager, KDE Discover, whatever your distribution has, go ahead and open it up. And when we're here, we're going to type in Asunder. Alright, and there it is right up there. And we're going to go ahead and install it. And there we go, it will install it for us. Alright, and now it's done. So now we're going to go ahead and put in our CD. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and open up Asunder with our disk in. As you can see, it still says unknown on everything, and when you try and do lookup, it just can't get it. And that's because the database that it runs on got shut down. So we're going to go to Preferences. We're going to go to Advanced. Get disk info from Internet automatically. This has been shut down. But there's an alternative to it called the GNU-DB. So we're just going to change it from freedb.freedb to GNUDB.GNUDB.org. Click OK. Now if we do lookup, there we go. It will get everything here. And now we can also go to Preferences and the destination folder. I'll just put music. OK. And I'll do rip. And then it will rip our CD for us. Alright, now here it says 11 files created successfully. So we'll go ahead and close this out, and we can go ahead and open our file manager. We can eject our CD. Alright, now if we go to our music folder, as you can see, there it is, our Michael Jackson CD that we copied. And there we go, as we see here, we have all the songs copied onto our computer, and now we can play them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, feel free to let me know down in the comments if you like this video, if you didn't like this video, if you have a recommendation for a video I should do in the future. I love it when you guys are open to me about what content you like and what you don't like. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.